everybody, welcome to my channel. I have a new wig here from Ashimary. So of course I want to show you how I got my package before we get into the wig that I have. So this is the packaging. You get a very nice size box. It's actually pretty large. And let me show you what came with it. So this wig actually has so many accessories. I can't wait to show you all and use them. But this one stood out to me. It's super cute. It has little butterfly clips, a whole bunch of them, and they're like pastel colors, really cute. They remind me of like Easter. And then we have the normal bag that you typically get with a wig, but it has some extra things in here. So it has like the wig band, edges brush, eyelashes, and then you also get these here, and it's on the band here. I'm not sure what they are. They look like makeup brushes, so I don't know, maybe if you put them on like this to not mess your makeup up. I'm not sure, but that was a little bit different, pretty cool. And then you do also get some bobby pins, and then just the normal wig cap and eyelashes. So I did also get this here, which is a headband, but it is a wired headband. So it has a wire throughout. You see it's kind of, you can bend it either which way. So that's also really cool, something different. And then something else that's really on trend right now are these bows that I got, but it comes with a white and a blue one. So really like pastel-y type of colors. They really remind me of Easter, but they're also perfect for summer. So this is what I have here. It looks super cute. So I can't wait to style each one of the accessories that we have today. This is the white one. So you get a white and a blue bow. And then I do also have a robe here, which I love their robes. Super cute. The color is very nice. And then we have something else here. I think this is a bonnet, but I'm not sure. Yep, it's a bonnet. Oh, okay, this one's a little bit different. So it has this cute, this is so cute. It has the company name. Oh yeah, this is really cute. I'm gonna put that away so I can put that on tonight, but super cute. This wig comes with so many accessories, but I am going to try them on for us today as well, just to see how everything looks. But now let's get into the actual wig and see what we're working with. So this is the wig that I have here. So it is a 360 skin lace wig, and it has a unique tech invisible strap. So we're going to see that in just a minute. This is the actual wig. And of course, I'm gonna show you the construction of the wig, but I just wanna make sure I tell you everything about the wig before I take the hair out. Yeah, I think the number one thing that's really different for this wig is the adjustable back. So it's like a pull string adjustable back. You know how the back of the wig sometimes will kind of be like too big or so? This one has a drawstring, so it's much easier than the adjustable straps that the wigs normally have in the back. So let's actually take a look at them. I'm gonna open up the wig now. And this is a 24-inch unit. This is what it looks like. And this wig is pre-cut, pre-bleached, and plucked. So pre everything. Not only do you get 360 lace, it is ready to wear. Texture of the hair is this nice curly texture. Looks like you do get some additional strings for the drawstring back, and then you do have some poly side scalp mesh like sticker bases here. So you have lace 360 around the entire wig, but the middle part is weft. So the middle part is wefted, and then you have lace 360 around. So you can definitely wear this wig in a ponytail. So it does have combs, and the comb goes right here. And this is the portion where the drawstring adjustable portion is. and then you keep it in place with these here. They look like little backs to earrings. There are combs on the side here as well, and everything is removable. The hair feels super good, such a nice and soft curly texture. I can't wait to add some products and just comb the hair out. Okay, so I put the wig on. I did add makeup to the lace, and I'm not gonna lie, this wig was a little bit harder than the wigs that are not 360. I think it being 360 is what made it a little bit harder for me. As you can kind of see where the cut I made is, and then you see the drawstring, and I'm just tucking it underneath. But now I'm going to get into the hair. Let's show you, I wanna show you guys how the hair looks. I'm just gonna comb it out first, and then I'm gonna add some water, and then we'll style it with some products. So it's not as curly as I thought. It's more like wavy. I thought it was super curly, but it's more of a wavy texture. Really easy to comb out. As you can see, you can run your hands right through it. So it's not really like a too much of a curly texture. It's right there in the middle from curly and wavy. But this is how the lace looks. And again, you get lace all the way to about here. You get lace. I just want to show how big this hair got combed out.
Now they wanna listen to us, try to see. Freaking you, is there a freak in you? Come and talk to me, Rush, baby, just like a morally. So pretty, girl, you belong in the gallery. What's your fantasy? Say something you ain't never did. That fucking sucker real need. I'm flicking my wrist like I'm a t-shirt. Diamonds on my chest like a bishop. And these lines right here ain't no hiccup. These lines right here gon' really make you fuck. These lines really gonna make you numb like Chuck. This time it's your time. I need to know if you're down. Cause if not, I know there's more. There's always more. Guys are sure. There's always more. That's for sure. To us, not to see. Freak